Hi friends, welcome back to Sajal Knowledge Academy. My name is Snigdha and today's video is about fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Question number 1. She is disgusted blank the habits of her husband. Option A of, option B with, option C from, option D at. The correct answer is option B with. She is disgusted with the habits of her husband. Question number 2. They were astonished blank his failure in the competition. Option A in, option B on, option C from, option D at. The correct answer is option D at. They were astonished at his failure in the competition. Question number 3. When is the wedding coming? Blank. Option A off, option B on, option C up, option D off. The correct answer is option A off. When is the wedding coming off? Question number 4. Vivek has a strong resemblance blank his grandfather. Option A about, option B with, option C from, या option D to. The correct answer is option D 2. Vivek has a strong resemblance to his grandfather. Question number 5. Please do not quarrel blank your neighbors. Option A from, option B with, option C by, option D on. The correct answer is option B with. Please do not quarrel with your neighbors. Question number 6. Today computer viruses spread blank a dizzying speed blank way of file downloads. Option A by, option B at from, option C in from, या option D at by. The correct answer is option D at by. Today computer viruses spread at a dizzying speed by way of file downloads. Question number 7. Please write me blank this address. Option A to, option B at, option C upon, option D on. The correct answer is option D on. Please write me on this address. Question number 8. He has no chair to sit blank. Option A on, option B in, option C up, option D to. The correct answer is option A on. He has no chair to sit on. Question number 9. They have no objection blank my proposal. Option A for, option B to, option C in, option D over. The correct answer is option B 2. They have no objection to my proposal. Question number 10. She is highly skilled blank dealing with difficult customers. Option A off, option B into, option C at, option D on. The correct answer is option C at. She is highly skilled at dealing with difficult customers. Question number 11. The queen was highly vain blank her beauty. Option A for, option B over, option C of, option D from. The correct answer is option C of. The queen was highly vain of her beauty. Question number 12. Coffee is preferable blank tea. Option A up, option B to, option C in, option D with. The correct answer is option B 2. Coffee is preferable to tea. Question number 13. Please sign these documents blank ink so that they can be preserved. Option A with, option B from, option C by, या option D in. The correct answer is option D in. Please sign these documents in ink so that they can be preserved. Question number 14. This rule is applicable blank everyone. Option A to, option B for, option C with, option D on. The correct answer is option A to. This rule is applicable to everyone. Question number 15. Please wash your hands blank water. Option A by, option B on, option C from, option D with. The correct answer is option D with. Please wash your hands with water. Question number 16. He succeeded blank the throne. Option A up, option B in, option C to, option D on. The correct answer is option C 2. He succeeded to the throne. Question number 17. He has shown utter neglect blank duty. Option A off, option B for, option C to, option D in. The correct answer is option A off. He has shown utter neglect of duty. Question number 18. There is nobody blank home. Option A on, option B in, option C inside, option D at. The correct answer is option D at. There is nobody at home. Question number 19. He is being accused blank theft. Option A to, option B for, option C of, option D about. The correct answer is option C of. He is being accused of theft. Question number 20. Planets do not have light blank their own. Option A on, option B by, option C of, या option D for. The correct answer is option C of. Planets do not have light of their own. So friends, thanks for watching this video and please watch all my videos and let me know in the comment section how you liked it, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel.